Okay, now. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to factor using algebra tiles. Okay, now. Okay. Main thing I said is we have to know what these mean. Okay, the big box represents what? X squared. Okay. Now these little rectangles represent what? X's. I'm just going to go ahead and write that out.
How do you know that?
Because the large ones represent, because you know, I told you what the large square is x squared if it's filled in or if it's dark. What it means what? Negative x squared. Okay? The rectangles represent x. Okay? I didn't make it up, but somebody made it up. Okay?
The big one is x squared.
X, yes, always. If it's filled in or dark, it's negative. Okay? If these right here are always x. If they're filled in, it's negative x. And,
so just because they're dark.
and these represent what? Ones. Always. Now the product is what is in the middle, or if we add all this up together. So this is what? How many x squareds do we have? We have x squared. How many x's? 8x, so plus 8x. And how many ones? 5, 10, 15. So plus 15. Now, to factor it. Jeez, I'm in the clock. Parents always, they for the rest of your life, they're going to bug you. So, that was my dad, sorry. Anyway, okay. Now, what times what will give us x squared? X. Okay. X times what is x? Now x times what will give me x? 1. X times what will give me that x? 1. And x times 1 is x. So this factor on the side, what do we have on the side? X plus 3. Okay, now we have to finish out the top. What times x is x? Okay, what times x is x? 1. Okay, and 1, okay, that multiplies all the way down. Okay, what? That's 1 as well. Okay, yes, eventually we're going to get there. Okay? Okay, 1 times x is x, 1 times 1 is 1, okay, and that's all the same. So up at the top we have x plus 5. Now, I don't want to sit here all day and draw a bunch of little boxes and do all that, so I want to make it go a little bit quicker. Okay, now, we'll eventually find out how we got these numbers. That's what we're going to do next. But we're just going to go ahead and take it. I'm going to go ahead and give you the numbers that go in the box right now. Okay? We'll start just like we did with the algebra tiles. What times what is x squared? X. X times x. X times what gives me 3x? 3. What times x is 5x? 5. Is 5 times 3 15? Yes. What? What's that?
What's the same with the work with version on the last tile?
I don't know. Okay, so now, my product. That's when I add everything together. What do I have? I have how many x squared? 1 x squared. How many x's?
2.
Well, 8. So plus 8x plus 15. Now factors. What do I have along the top? That, x plus 5 times x plus 3.
It's written.
What? What's that?
The 1 on the 15.
Oh. No. No.
No, 5. That's 15.
No, it's plus. Isn't that plus 8?
It doesn't change.
You put AX plus AX.
It's plus
Oh.
Friday.
That, okay, I didn't know what you're, okay, now, we have to think a little bit. Okay? Now, what times what will give me 2x squared?
2x times x.
2x times x. But, if I write my 2x here, will 2x go into x evenly? No. So, what I'm going to have to do is, let's see if it works when I put it on the side. Now, will 2x go into 8x?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? So, I knew it was 2x and x, but if I put my 2 right here, it wouldn't go evenly into x. So, I had to try it the other way. Sometimes there might be other factors we have to use. Okay? Now, guys. Okay, do you want me to own that? I suggest you put it away.
Oh, okay.
That's not away. Okay? So now, x times what will give me x?
Four.
X times what will give me x? 1. Okay? Now, what times 2x is 8x? 4. Very good. Is 4 times 1 4? Yes. So we factored it correctly. Start with the product. What's the product? 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. The factors. It doesn't matter which one you say first, but let's just start. What do I have at the top?
X.
X plus 4 times
2x plus 4.
2x plus 1. Now, okay, 4x squared. There's several things that we could multiply together to get 4x squared. Name some of them.
2x and 2x.
2x and 2x? Okay, what else could I? 4x and
1x.
1x? Okay, I could also go, would negative 2x and negative 2x? Well, sometime you might have to. Now, okay, look here. Which one do you think I should use? 2x and 2x. Okay, because will 2x go into 2x?
Yes.
Will 2x go into 10x?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, 2x times what gives me 2x? 1. Okay, what times 2x gives me 10x? 5. Is 5 times 1 5?
Yes.
Yes. What's my product? Add them together.
4x
Plus
squared
12x plus 5.
12x plus 5.
Plus 5. Very good. And my factors. What do I have on the top?
2x plus 5.
2x plus 5 times
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. Very good. Yes, sir. Not yet. Okay, now, what do we notice we have in here?
Negative.
Negatives. Okay. Okay, now, Romeo. Okay, what times what gives me x squared? X times x. Very good. X times what is negative 9x? Negative 9. Okay. What times x is negative 6x? Negative 6. Is negative 6 times negative 9 positive 54? Yes. So we factored it correctly. What's the product?
X squared
Minus 15x
Minus what? 15x plus 54. Factors, what do I have on the top?
X minus 6.
Times.
X minus 9.
Very good.
Mister, it matters where you put it, like
Yeah. You can get it the other way, but you know, if you stay consistent, it'll just make it that much easier. Okay? Okay? Now, what times what is going to give me 2x squared? 2x times what?
2x times x.
2x times x, right? Okay, now, where should I put the x and where should I put the 2x?
X on top and 2x on the side.
Okay, put the what on top?
X.
X. Now, why do I not put the 2 on top? Will 2 go into... Very good. So, oops, I wrote it in the wrong place. The 2 will not go into 7. Very good. X times 2x is 2x squared. Thank you very much. X times what gives me negative 7x?
-7.
Negative 7. Very good. Okay, now let's go over here. What times 2x is 10x? 5. Is 5 times negative 7 negative 35?
Yes.
Yes. What's the product?
2x
squared plus 3 minus 35.
Plus, let's combine these. What's that?
3.
3x. Very good. And what's left?
-35.
Minus 35. The factors. What do I have on top? X plus 5 times 2x minus 7. Very good. Okay. Now, we're going to put the numbers in the correct position in each box. Okay. Then we're going to do exactly what I did. What am I going to put in this first box? X squared. Now, these two really don't matter where you put them, but they're going to go in these two boxes. Okay, I'm going to put the 8x here and the negative 6x here. Now, I could have done it the other way, and I would have gotten the same answer. They would have just been in different spots. And then I put the negative 48 in this box.
Just to tell you that they cross
They add together.
Okay. Now, let's start right here. What times what is x squared? X. X times x. X times what is 8x?
8.
8. What times x is negative 6x?
-6.
Negative 6. Is negative 6 times 8 negative 48?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so the product. What do I have?
X squared.
X squared
Plus
plus 2x minus 48. Very good. What?
What did you get?
Because 8x minus 6x, 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay? The factors, what do I have on the top?
X -6.
Times
X plus 8.
x plus 8. Now, if I'd have put the 8x there and the negative 6x there, I would have had x plus 8 on the top times x minus 6. I would have still gotten the same answer, just in different orders. Does that make sense? Yes, no, maybe, kind of? Okay. Okay, what am I going to put in this box? 3x squared. Oops, that's a funny looking 3. 3x squared. What do I put in this box? What up? No, in this bottom box. 70. Okay, now does it matter which one I put these in? So I'm going to put negative 21x and negative 10x. Okay, what am I going to multiply together to give me 3x squared? 3x times x. Where do I need to put the 3x? On the top or on the side?
On the side.
On the side. Why?
Because it goes into 21.
Okay, but 3 will not go into 10. Okay, y'all agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what? X times what is negative 10x? Negative 10. What times 3x is negative 21x? Negative 7. Is negative 7 times negative 10 positive 70? Yes. So my product, let's add these together. Let's start here. How many x squared?
3x squared
3x squared.
minus negative 31x.
No, but just minus 31x. If you said minus a negative, that would be what? That'd be a positive. So minus 31x plus 70. Very good. And the factors?
X
X minus 7
times
3x minus 10.
Very good. Okay. Any questions there? Not too bad? Okay.